Hi everybody, I am in a gardening center in Poland in a little village called Olza. I have been choosing plants to make colorful window box for my father's birthday, which happens to be on International Women's Day, 8th of March. After the gray of winter, I really want to create very colorful spring plant display, and I have already gathered some gorgeous plants. So see you in a bit at my parents' house. Okay, I'm back in Czech Republic. I'm planning to use my parents' current window box, which is currently very tired autumn/winter arrangement with reindeer and Christmas lights, which I'm going to save, and the rest will end up in the compost pile. The container has fresh soil from the last autumn, which is well draining, so I will not be changing the soil now, as they do so before they plant their summer annuals. First, I will put the composition of my plants in the box to see if I like it. I have also decided to keep the header plant, which already has been in the container. And now we can start planting. I will begin with the tallest of my plants, which is daffodil, white lion. It is a very beautiful and fragrant double daffodil. The crown is soft yellow and it's surrounded by fluffy white cream petals. It grows around 16 to 18 inches, 40 to 45 centimeters tall. It is very reliable daffodil, and after it's finished blooming, I will transplant it into the garden. It blooms usually from mid to late spring. I'm gently splitting the bulb so I do not disturb the roots too much, and plant them towards the back of the window box. And as I mentioned before, I will keep the header plant as it fits my color theme. My next layer is this gorgeous bright pink ranunculus. Unfortunately, the gardening center did not have any tags with these plants, so I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's ranunculus mache rose with full double blooms. The height should be about 10 to 12 inches, 20 to 25 centimeters tall. The roots are really strong, and it was hard to get it out of the nursing container. The same applies for the violas, also very strong root system. I'm guessing these are from the Sorbet series Midnight Glow. I have decided to add few more of the daffodils. And now we can just water all well so the plants can settle in their new home, and also wash off any soil on the container. The window box will be on the southwest side of my parents' house. Very sunny location. Ranunculus love the sun. Let's do a little bit of cleaning of the window shield before I will put the window box back in its place. Actually, when I'm looking at my display now, I feel like it needs something more, maybe a bit of height. I have got an idea to go outside and just find some branches of pussy willow, snap off few of the branches and take it home and add it to my arrangement. And now you can see how better the arrangement actually looks. It definitely adds more drama. I hope you have all enjoyed doing this project with me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.